In this video, you're going to learn how to earn $17,707 with no skills on Digistore. I'm going to show you a Digistore affiliate marketing tutorial where I'm going to give you a done for you funnel, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up just like this with only one click. So here what you get. All you got to do is click on this pin that I created. Then it's going to do its work. It's going to take you to the bridge page. Then you click, I want to see that video. Then automatically it will go to the opt-in page. Prospect will put in their email address. And what's going to happen? They'll be directed to the Digistore affiliate marketing sales page. All this happened just with one click. What you saw you can implement on any social media platform, not just on Pinterest. And that's why it has a lot of value. So make sure to understand everything that I'm about to say, because it's going to be very important for you to create that. All you have to do is just get it one time. Just get it done one time, and the rest is easy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do all that in only 5 easy steps that you can do very quickly. But before we get there, what I'd like you to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be making more videos about done for you online marketing and how to make money online. So believe me, you don't want to miss that. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing tutorial steps. Number 1, how to choose the best product from Digistore 24 affiliate marketing to promote on any social media platform. Number 2, how to promote Digistore 24 products by creating a value post. Number 3, how to post your Digistore 24 product on social media. Number 4, how to link your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing product to your automated funnel. And number 5, how to create a free Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel on autopilot. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel. I'm going to give you a flow of how things are going to be going, because I wanted to make it easy for you so you're not gonna get confused. First, we're gonna go to Digistore 24, pick the best product. Number 2, we're gonna go to Pinterest. This is just an example. You can use it other social media platform. And then what are we gonna do? Create a pin, post it on Pinterest. Then we're gonna go to a bridge page, then opt-in page, and to the affiliate sales page. And here's the steps that we're going to be going through about Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel link steps. Number 1, we're going to take it real easy here, and we're going to go through one step at a time. Number 1, create a Pinterest account to use with Digistore 24. 2, create a board, of course, on Pinterest. Do not call it Digistore 24, please. Number 3, create a pin on Pinterest linking Digistore 24 to the affiliate marketing product that exists on Digistore 24 network. Number 3, fill the pin information. Number 5, link Pinterest into a ConvertKit bridge page. You'll find out later more about that. And number 6, post the Digistore 24 product pin. In other words, make it public. To keep track of everything, we're gonna do something to organize us a little bit, because we're gonna go through some steps. We are doing the Digistore 24 funnel linking steps, which is very important, and a lot of people asked about it. So we're gonna take it step by step. We're gonna go to step number 1, which is you have to create an account to use with Digistore 24. I'm not going to show you how to do it, because I think you are smart enough to do it on your own. It is very simple. So we're going to go ahead and not cover that. Now, the second thing is create a board. Do not call it Digistore 24. Let's go ahead and create a board right now. So to create a board, that's all you want to do. We created, or you created, the account on Pinterest. Now we're going to create a board. All you got to do is click on the plus sign and click on what? Create a board, not a pin, a board. Then you can call it whatever you want to. I'm going to call it testing. And then you click on this button says create. this board is getting created for you, so you can put the Digistore 24 product link inside of it, which I will show you here in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Click on done here. Then this is your board. I called it testing. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right here under create, and then we're gonna create a pin. Click on create a pin. You're gonna be faced with this. So the first thing that you want to do is add a title, and then right here what you want to do is put something related to very much like your keywords. You're just like, in case somebody is looking for something, I added those right there. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna add that pin. As you remember, in the old funnel that I created, I also created a value pin, right? We talked about that. So what are we gonna do? We're going to put it right here. To add this, you can click on this, and then you can pick from whatever file you have that pin. Please be kind of creative a little bit, because if everybody put the same thing, then it's a problem. I just gave you an example, and I want you just to use it as an example only. Let's go ahead and put that. I have it on my desktop, so I grabbed it right here. This is very important right here, so please pay attention. When you go to promote your product, which is Digistore 24 product, which we picked, what to do next. See right here, it says add destination, a link. We're gonna go to ConvertKit, which you should already have the funnel that I gave you, because you downloaded it with one click of a button. Now you have it. This is a product on Digistore 24 Affiliate Marketing Network. So what are we going to do now? How are we going to connect this? Now remember, this is not an opt-in page. You're going to go right here where it says share. Click on that. Then you go down here where it says this link right here. You click on that and you copy it. Then what do? You go back here, and then you click, and then you paste it. That's it. And then you publish it. Now, before we go any further, in case you are wondering why I did blur some of the stuff on that page, is simple, because after so many years of doing this, I know that people are going to do exactly what I put in. And if everybody does the same thing, then it's going to be spamming, and everybody will not be benefiting from what I'm giving you right now. Okay, here's the link right here. You click on it. Obviously it's showing you more things here. Don't worry about that, because you created that pin. But if you click on it, just like anybody else, what is it going to do? It took you to the same, automatically, it took you to this right here. This is a bridge page. This is not an opt-in page. There's a reason for why it is a bridge page. In case you have questions, go back to my other videos and find out why. This is very important. And I put these as right here. These are samples as well. So you want to promote Digistore 24 product, you don't want to have the same thing. So make sure you change it. Otherwise, everybody will look the same. And is, guess what? It's a spam. Then you will just email me, or you would comment and say, hey, they shut down my account. So you need to make changes. So you click on send me the video. Then you put in what? The email address. All right, just to make sure that we are keeping track here, what are we going to do is we are going to go here, and we did this one right here. We created that pin. So we're going to go ahead and mark it. Right now, we're going to create a pin on Pinterest linking Digistore 24 product. And this is what we are doing right now. So it took us first to the bridge page. Then it took us after that to this page, which is the opt-in page. Okay, now that we have created that board, it's called testing. Now, this is the pin that I have created. So here what you get, all you got to do is click on this pin that I created. Then it's going to do its work. It's going to take you to the bridge page. Then you click, I want to see that video. Then automatically it will go to the opt-in page. Prospect will put in their email address. And what's going to happen? They'll be directed to the Digistore affiliate marketing sales page. This is the sales page, guys. Okay. All this happened just with one click. Okay. Before we continue, let's go ahead and just Check out our list here to make sure that we covered everything. Did we create a pin? Yes, we did. And let's go ahead and just mark that off. And did we fill in the information? Yes, we filled out the card, which is the pin, and we got the information. And we linked it to the bridge page on ConvertKit. In case you are new and you're not a follower of my channel, don't worry about that. You're going to get everything in here if you are a supporter of the channel. I make these available for people who are really serious about their success, and to show that you are, I can tell if you are subscribed to the channel, not subscribed, are you giving a like, are you sharing the videos, and if you are, I'll be more than happy to share that with you. So if you have not done that so far, do it right now before you forget. Let's take a look at number 6, which is post Digistore 24 product pin. We already did that. We posted it. It is live and it could be used. Now, before I go any further, I just want to give you a little thing here that you need to understand. And I've noticed some people that they are using the same thing that I am giving you. Do not use the same pin. Do not use the same pin that I gave you. I created a value pin. A value pin is something that I explained to you. People more likely will click on it, but you don't have to be. I want you to work, and if you don't work, I'm gonna go ahead and just take you off. I'm not gonna be allowing you into this platform because you're gonna ruin it up for everybody. Because when you are doing the same thing and everybody is doing the same thing, nobody makes any money at all. Okay, and I know that there are some people who are doing it. This is my friendly warning. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm doing all this for free. I'm not asking you to purchase a course. I'm not asking you to pay money. But hey, these are options that I can do and start, charging money for that stuff, or you just follow the rules. If you're not following the rules, then I'm going to have to do whatever I have to do to protect the people who want to succeed and who want to do it right. So make sure to do it right and be a supporter so I can help you. Okay, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel flow. Let's see how did we do. We talked about the flow, which is Digistore 24. I connected it, and in a minute I'm going to show you where that product is. We went to Pinterest, we created a pin, an opt-in page. We did all that automatically, and we ended up in a Digistore 24 affiliate sales page. As far as the product, it's over a 30 hormone solution. There's a reason why we chose this. There's a reason for it. Make sure that you watch my other video because I went through how to choose something like this when you are promoting Digistore 24 affiliate marketing products. Okay, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel flow outcome. Okay, we did this. So what is the outcome? As far as we know right now, it's very important to understand what I'm about to say. You can use this funnel with any social media platform. Make sure you do not spam, and make sure you make your unique stuff. Do not copy my stuff or copy someone else's, because your account will be shut down. Okay, what I'm giving you is an inspiration for you to work through, and I'm explaining to you exactly what to do. If you are new to this channel and you're supporting this channel, don't worry. If you are supporting this channel and you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to give you all the information that you need, but let's go ahead and talk about the outcome. Okay, we got traffic. Oh, big deal. So what? We got it to the bridge page. Then we got it to the opt-in page. All that happened automatically. You didn't have to do anything at all. Now, when they opted in, what happened? That email that they put in, they went to your ConvertKit autoresponder. It's already there. I'm not going to cover the emails here. You got to watch the other videos. Obviously, I cannot do everything in just one video. I know you understand that because you're very smart. Okay, so all this is going to get us two things. One of them is going to go to the affiliate sales page automatically, all with one click. Nobody is going to do this for you on YouTube. I'm doing it as helping other people who appreciate the help, support that channel, because if you don't support it, that tells me you're not interested. I quit making videos. So if you support and you share, the reason I'm saying that is because this is very valuable. If you want to go and take a course on that, the minimum going to charge you about $1,000. Okay, if we follow all this, our conversion rate is going to be 40%. 40%, this is minimum. We get more than 40%. All right, now we did this on ConvertKit. What I did basically is a hack. I hacked a way that you can benefit from. At the same time, you get a free account. There is no time limit on it. And in that free account, you get unlimited landing pages and forms. And if you follow the other videos, you learn a little bit more about them. This is something that I cover because of necessity. This is called Targeted Traffic 24 hours. That means you get targeted traffic within 24 hours. The traffic comes in from Pinterest. The 24-hour traffic is something that you gotta do if you want to be different than the other affiliate marketers that do the same thing and they want everything for free. You can do it for free. You're welcome to do that. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Other people will be ahead of you who are doing it. I'm obligated to say that because it's an option that you have. After that, it goes straight to the bridge page, and then it goes to the opt-in page and the sales page. And I'm talking about Digistore 24 affiliate sales page, whatever you are selling. This will also work with ClickBank if you are using ClickBank as well. The law of free traffic is slow. I got nothing to do with that. This is the way it is. One thing also I forgot to tell you. Somebody was asking me, why didn't you tell us that there is a discount on your description area? I'm sorry if I didn't mention that. It's just because I don't like to do plugins and things like that. But anyway, you can take advantage of it because this is going to save you some money. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing through ClickBank and how to make money, click up here. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing, how to get started and make money as fast as possible, click here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.